Fiverr cheat sheet review. That is what we'll be checking out in this video. Hey guys, my name is Saurabh and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing and lot more. So let me start by explaining you what exactly is Fiverr. Fiverr is a marketplace where there are different freelancers who are providing different services which may be useful for your business. And those services could be your logo design, could be a WordPress website, could be a voiceover, video explainer, social media, and there is a lot more. And there are people who are charging different amount for each of the gigs, each of the services which they are offering, and that starts right from $5 and it goes up to 300 $400 $500 depending on the gig. So Fiverr is a complete business model which, if you want to get started with, this product is going to help you. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I'll be showing you what is there inside the members area of Fiverr cheat sheet. I'll be also showing you my bonuses which I've crafted specially for you guys that are going to help you in order to succeed with Fiverr. So now let me just take you straight away inside the members area of Fiverr cheat sheet. So Cheat Sheet is a info-based training product that is going to be launched on Warrior Plus Marketplace on 7th November at 9 a.m. Eastern. And you can see we have got different videos in it. So we have got like 9 chapters inside it. So 9 videos starting with the introduction of what exactly is Fiverr, how you can generate leads on Fiverr. The next chapter talks about getting to know about Fiverr, what all different gigs and services you can offer. The next chapter talks about how to generate everlasting leads, because lead generation is very important in Fiverr. It is all good about creating a gig and posting it on Fiverr, but you would know how to generate leads, how to get that offer in front of the people who need this service. Next, you will learn how to reach more audience on Fiverr. As I said, it is very important to reach to the right target audience. Chapter 5 talks about how to be the top rated seller. So you will learn all the tricks, the tips, and how you can be the top rated seller. The next chapter talks about how to make it top on Fiverr, how to be the top vendor, how to be the top freelancer on Fiverr. So this chapter will teach you that. Chapter number 7 is how to take advantage of different prices for same assets. So there are different gigs where people are charging like $5, $10. Some people are charging $100. So you will learn how to take advantage of different prices for the same gig, same offer. Chapter 8 talks about how to find top selling gigs with low competition. So you need to put the gigs on Fiverr, put the services on Fiverr which has got low competition. If you try to jump into logo designing, website designing, there are so many people who have already crowded that space with their gigs. So you need to find the low competition gigs which you will learn. And chapter 9 talks about how to be consistent on getting orders, how to get these orders consistently, because that is how you're going to make money and that is your business model on Fiverr. So this is all about the members area. These are the different trainings which you're going to get inside the Fiverr cheat sheet. And if you decide to pick up Fiverr cheat sheet using my link, which is in the description down below, I have also crafted some special bonuses for you guys. So the link to the bonus page is in the description below, and once you click on that link you will come to this particular bonus page, and you need to make sure that you pick up your bonuses before this countdown timer runs out. And the number one bonus I'm going to give you is I'm going to give you a training on how to create winning headlines, because headline is very important. As you can see on these gigs, there are different headlines. Some people are saying I will do a modern minimalistic logo design, I will create a flat minimalistic logo design. So you need to learn how to create those winning headlines. So that is what I've covered inside this training. Bonus number 2, I'm going to give you this complete training course on Bing ads mastery. So you will learn how to create Bing ads, and you can run those Bing ads for your services what you are promoting on Fiverr. So you can promote your services through Bing ads. Bonus number 3, I'm going to give you 60 days of social media posts. It is very important that you also promote your services, your brand on different social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I'm going to give you these 60 days of social media posts so that you can build your brand on any particular social media platform of your choice. Bonus number 4, I'm going to give you List Lariat front end and OTO one. List Lariat is my own personal product that is going to teach you how you can build your email list by giving away free stuff to people. So you're going to get the front end training of it, and you're also going to get the advanced training, which comes under the OTO one, which is the one time offer. So you will get this absolutely free if you decide to pick up Fiverr Cheat Sheet using my link. And next, you're going to get all the vendor bonuses right inside the members area, and all your bonuses will be available right inside your Warrior Plus dashboard. Once you complete your purchase, you will see this button of access affiliate bonus, and once you click on that, your bonuses will be right there waiting for you to grab. And all you need to do, just click on any of these buttons on this page. That will take you to this particular sales page. It is a very simple, easy looking sales page, and you just need to uh, click on this button once the product is active. And talking about the price point of the product, this is only going to cost you $7.99. Yes, for $7.99 you're going to get all these trainings on Fiverr. You're also going to get all these bonuses which I've shown you. So I must say it is a steal for you. It's a real deal if you are interested in making money online on Fiverr. Now, talking about if this product is a good fit for you or not. See, there are different business models in online marketing. There is affiliate marketing, there is drop shipping, there is blog, there is so and so. And this business model of selling your services on Fiverr is very profitable. As you can see, there are so many people who are providing the freelance services on Fiverr. So if you have a skill, if you know how to create a website, how to create a logo, or some other skill, you can definitely get started by selling those services on Fiverr. And this training and the bonuses are going to help you with that. Doesn't matter if you are a newbie or if you're already into business and would like to get started with Fiverr. This is the best place. This product is going to help you in doing that. So guys, I hope my review has helped you to make an informed buying decision about Fiverr Cheat Sheet. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below, and the link to my bonus page is in the description down below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.